going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, but we are going to be doing a cool Valentine's Day romantic charm kind of look. We're going to be jumping right into it. As you can see, I'm already set up and ready. You dig me? So let me like zoom you in just a little bit. We're going to be starting off with this little fluffy brush. Even though it looks dirty, it is clean. I promise you, okay? We're going to be starting off with Reckless. Stamp that right in the crease real good. And we're going to be really neat because we don't want to have to do too much cleanup when we cutting this crease. We're gonna get all in that crease. We ain't playing today. Now since we have that down real good, we're going to be jumping into wasted because we gonna get wasted, right? I'm so excited about this look. And I'm also taking the Morphe M514 brush, and we just gonna take that and we gonna just blend those edges and just make sure your hand is very light. I learned that blending, it has a lot to do with just being light. So we just gonna blend that in real good. Yeah, keep blending, girl. Blending is always your best friend, okay? All right, so now since we have that down, we're going to dab into Pep Talk. And we just gonna blend Pep Talk real good at the top. So I'm gonna use the blank canvas to cut my crease. I need a closer mirror. So now since I have that crease cut, I'm actually putting some rhinestones on that crease. So I'm just taking the duo glue and just rubbing it. And I'm just going to continue laying them on there. So now since I have that down, I'm gonna just clean up this lid and put some concealer right on this lid. So now since I have that down, I'm thinking, should I cut the crease again? What should I do? We're going to be jumping right back into that blank canvas and we're gonna cut this crease one more time. All right, now since we have that down, we're gonna jump right back into Reckless. I'm making this shit up as I go. That's why I don't know what I'm doing. All right, now since I have that down, I'm gonna be jumping right back into that Pep Talk, blowing this out just a little. I'm gonna fill this in with pink. All right, now since we have that down, I'm thinking about doing like a nice little wing. Now I'm gonna just take some glitter. Oh, y'all see it? Y'all see it? I'm just gonna take a little bit of this orchard. It's like a lavender. And I'm gonna just put it right over the brow bone. All right, boo, so now since I have this eye down, I'm going to do this eye really quick off camera. Then I'm gonna pop my lashes on and we're gonna be jumping right into face, okay? All right, my boos, now we have finally got these eyes down. I'm really feeling them. They look good, but we took basically all day with these, so we need to jump into face. So first, we're gonna be starting off with prime because I have already moisturized my face. So I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty. Y'all know I always love my Fenty Beauty. And we're gonna put this on the face. I really love the way these eyes came out. Like, oh my God. Please do not play these two big crazy bumps that's on my forehead. My skin is purging. Every once in a while my skin purges when I do my facial routines. So two big monkey joints, you know, wanted to come and, you know, show some love, get on my nerve, you know. So we gonna take a little bit and just take a brush, cover up them bumps. Them bumps are sticking out like real crazy, but we're gonna try to camouflage them as much as we can. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna be jumping into foundation, and for foundation, we're gonna be doing the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and this is in the color Deep Spice. You already know, boo. And you know we only do a few drops because we don't need a lot for the skin, okay? And we take that and we go right over just like that. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot, baby. Make sure you get your neck, baby, and your ears. Now, since we have that down, y'all already know we're going to be jumping into the Charlotte Tilbury, and this is in the color Fonts. And I'm just going to take some of this, my little thing broke, and I'm gonna make it nice and even on both sides. Y'all know it's something about this Charlotte Tilbury that does something. Tell me, baby. You already know my combo be the Fenty Beauty 350, and this is more of a lighter color, and y'all already know I just take this and I go like that. You know how we do, we blend it in. But yes, I really love the way these eyes came out. Like, blend that in real good. Yeah. So now, since we have that down, I'm going to hurry up and bake, and we're going to be baking with the Laura Mercier, and this is in the color Honey. Oh, had a little too much, sorry. Ooh, I think I put too much. I have not found the formula to get rid of these goddamn creases, but we're gonna let that bake a little bit, and while we let that bake, we're going to contour with the Bobbi Brown. We're gonna bring that up. Like that. We're gonna do this real good. And just bring that in. So for lip, we're going to be jumping into the Morphe, and this is in the color Trendsetter. I want to jump into this lip right here, and this is Lime Crime's Cashmere. Ooh, let me put some blush on really quick just to tie this in. Oh, I didn't do no highlight. Let me put a little highlight on too. And y'all already know I'm going to be highlighting with Gold Luxe from the Stacey Marie polish. Y'all already know. We just gonna give them that right here. Ooh, we just gonna give it to them right there. Oh yeah, we only doing it right here. Ooh. I'm gonna take some of this white, make that my inner corner. See that? Ooh, it come out pink. Ooh. So this right here is Pink Me in the Stacey Marie palette, and it looks white, but it came like that. Y'all want me to do a gloss? I'm gonna just do a gloss. All right, so now let me do the final spray. So my boo, this is the final look. Yo, I really love this look. Get into them eyes. Like, honey, do you see? Like, I did this. I did this. I just been pushing myself to the limit, and this right here was definitely pushing myself to the limit. If you are feeling this look as well, don't forget to smash that like button, boo, and also leave me a comment down below. You already know. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't even know what you're waiting for. Like, you might as well subscribe, hit the notification bell button, like. But my boo, I really love how this look came out. Thank you so much, boo, for watching this video and watching me push myself and grow in makeup. I really appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to keep God first. You know we don't even play about the Lord on this channel. You figure dig, you dig me. I love you, boo, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.